Alright, let's check this out. Hpusn 3-axis stabilizer, red colors. Let's see what inside. Okay, let's take it out. Okay, let's see what we have. First, the Tracy Hendrix and the span. Okay, GoPro flame, the weight, extra weight adapters, and 3 of the 3.7 watt 800 mAh battery, and the charger, and one is the Chinese user manual. Okay, let's charge this before use. When you put in, will be got the 3 red colors. When it is full, it will off until I think its charging time is around 1.5 hours. Okay, after fully charged, let's put in and try. Okay, do not on the on-off button is here. Do not on it before you put on your phone or your GoPros. Okay, let's put up the phone and try. Got a clip, it's really easy. So just put on your phone and okay, and then just hold it and switch on the buttons on the bottom. Okay, shake like this, just hold it back to the positions. Okay, that's very nice. This rows and Yoning can headings for 45 degrees like this, and easy to use. You don't have any buttons here. If your phone is bigger than this, like Note, you just add on the weight on the side of this to stabilize it. Your phone is too big. Okay. Okay, if you want to use the GoPros for these stabilizers, you should get the GoPro frame we gave. Just put on it. Okay, and hold like this. Screws side. Okay, and put on the span on top, prevent checking, just like that. Okay, let's switch on it. That will be like that. Same. Okay, let's check. If you're lazy to put on the flame, you can be like me. Just put on like this. If you want more easy without putting the flame, you can try like this. Just clamp. Make sure it won't fall. If you're heading like this, you just bend it to the normal. Yeah, it's easy.